going to be doing the bicep curl. We're going to be using our curl bar to the back foremost pulley in the center. I'm going to go ahead and simply attach my bar. I have to teach the machine the range of motion if you have not done this already. You simply walk up, hit set range of motion. And the range of motion in this exercise is, you're going to bring it up to about this position, not all the way in, to about this position with a slight angle left there. And you want to lower it, not all the way down, but at a slight angle. So here I go, I'm training the upper position, so I'm bringing it up. I'm going to wait for the beep. As soon as I hear the beep, I want to bring it to my lower position. Again, not all the way down. I hear the beep. Now essentially we're ready. As soon as I pull the cable out, the machine will start, and you are to resist it as hard as you can, up and down, keeping your head and neck neutral, not bending over, not leaning back.